Hey guys, so today I am going to show you what my teeth whitening routine is. Right now I haven't done anything to them. I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm very particular with my teeth, to be honest. Even when they're super white, I still feel like I need to whiten them. Right now I don't feel like they're very white. They may look white right now on the camera, but I do feel like they do have some like yellowish tint to them, and I'm just a fanatic when it comes to that because I like my teeth to be white. I'm sure a lot of people do, and I'm sure a lot of people don't care as much, but me personally, I care so much about my white teeth. So yeah, if you want to see what my teeth whitening routine is, please stick around. So I'm wearing my robe right now because once I put them on and once I like brush my teeth after, I don't want to get like crap all over my work clothes. I do have to be at work very soon. Nobody got extra time to wash extra clothes. So these are the noticeably white strips by Crest. I got these because they were only $25. They don't come with as much strips. Obviously that makes sense, but I didn't feel like spending $60 on white strips, so I kind of just went with these. I don't like them as much as like the ones that are like really sticky and you only have to do like a couple times a year. These you have to do a little more often. They come with 20 strips total. It's 10 treatments and each one comes with one upper strip and one lower strip. So that's why it says total of 20 strips. I'm sure if you run out of a bottom one, you can use the top one for your bottom. I don't think it really matters. I mean, it's not going to fit as well, but it's definitely doable. But I try to stick with protocol and use them at the same time because no one wants to smile and have a white top and a yellow bottom, or vice versa. So I'm just going to open this. And this is what it looks like. I'm sure most people know how Crest white strips work. These are probably the most popular and the cheapest. I go with these rather than getting any whitening done. I'm just used to these. The only thing that I would say about these is sometimes they do make my teeth sensitive. They actually always make my teeth sensitive the day after using them, or like a day or two after. But it's not too bad where I can't deal with it. I mean, it is frustrating. So this is the top. I'm just going to put this on my teeth. I make sure to push it in my crevice, just so it could hold better. Sorry guys, I talk like so weird with these on. These slide off a little more than the other ones that you don't have to do as much. The other ones have better stickiness. And then this is the bottom one, shorter. And I make sure I get them in there and have them on pretty well. And then you leave them on for 30 minutes. Right now it's 3:17. I will be back at 3:47 to take them off. Okay guys, so right now I'm peeling this off. It's 3:47, so right now I'm just gonna brush my teeth regularly. I don't like the stuff that's on my teeth from the white strips. I guess it's the bleach. So I love to brush my teeth afterwards. But yeah, so I brushed my teeth, and if you guys are looking for a good whitening toothpaste, Crest also has a step 1, step 2 toothpaste. It looks like this. There is step 1. I threw it out because it was just getting a little old. But yeah, so this is step 2, and that does wonders to your teeth too if you're looking for a quick alternative and you don't want to do the white strips. But after I brush my teeth and get all that stickiness off, I do go in with hardwood activated charcoal powder. If you guys have ever seen the fad on Instagram with the black like charcoal, this is pretty much the same thing. I just dip my toothbrush in it. I don't put a lot, I put a little. Put some water on it. This could get super messy, as you can see. This is also a very good alternative if you don't want to do the white strips and you just want a quick 1, 2, 3 for whitening. It does instantly make my teeth look whiter, but it doesn't last as long. Cute. The only thing I would suggest after using this is to floss, because the black gets stuck in like your teeth. I wonder if it will focus. It just gets stuck up here. And it like looks like your teeth are like black or rotting or something, but it's not. It's your teeth looking whiter. But yeah, that is how I get my teeth whiter. It's a simple, easy routine. I think it was pretty much all done in 40 minutes. Obviously there are some things that you can do to keep your teeth whiter, like drink coffee through a straw, don't smoke, and little things like that. If you like this routine, give my video a thumbs up and go check out my other videos. You can also follow me at samanthagarrido on Instagram. Bye guys!